Hi, this is Sean Michael Lewis, and today I'm talking about Restoration Marketing 101. Look, I've taught all over the country in my career. I've built sales teams in the restoration industry, around construction, have been in that all my life, just seen the process from new building to existing to rebuild, remodel, everything. Look, one of the biggest questions I get asked all the time is, what is the best way to market my restoration company? And it's really, we're living in a different world than we were 10 years, 20 years, 30 years ago. And you really have to do what works for you and what level you're at. If you're a bigger company, I have one way that I would recommend in terms to grow explosive growth, like if you want to go from 2 to 5 to 10 million, or you might just be starting out and you're trying to break that first 100,000 or get to that first million. And it's very critical to really respect where you are. So I'm going to kind of talk about some basic thoughts, some 101 stuff. And then again, I'm going to get deeper in this in the future. If you're a bigger company, we can talk about how to, personally, I can share some of my stories on how I built multi-million-dollar sales division for restoration companies. But I would say the art of start is you have to look at two things. You have to be a sales educational or sales/educational driven type company. And what that basically means is the basic of everything you do in marketing. Most of you owners are very hands-on. You're very production driven. You're very, I know how to do the work, but I don't know how to sell my business. Look, that is a gold mine. You're the educator. You're the foundation of what that business needs to get out there. You can hire sales rep after sales rep after sales rep, and they're going to be like a revolving door in and out because they're not going to be able to educate potential clients that want you to come into their house, their business, to clean up, water, sewage, whatever it might be. So, you have to put everything in the mindset of, we are going to be an education company that's going to help you deal with the issues of fire, the issues of water, the issues of mold, or anything restoration. This is how we do it from start to finish. When you become that educational resource, guess what? People want to call you. They want to talk to you. They want to pick your mind and dig deeper into that, because that's where the momentum's going to happen. That's where you're going to build rapport. If you have any kind of emergency planning, like, what happens if our fire sprinklers go off? Well, do these people know how to shut everything off? Do they know how to minimize damages? I mean, these are the topics, not just going out, handing out business cards saying, hey, call me today if you have these issues. Look, that shit goes right in the trash can. Nobody wants to see that. Nobody wants to know all about you. They don't give a shit that you care about their family and you're looking at pictures on their desk and asking things and blah, 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 blah. No. Tell me, if my business suffers a catastrophic loss, how are you going to get me back open from point A to point B? So, like I said, Restoration 101, be an education company in that industry. I can tell you, hands down, if you don't know the industry, learn the industry, okay? Every owner out there that's listening to this, look, you hire a young salesperson because they're a great personality. That's great. Get them on a fire job, get them on a water job, and let them actually suck water out and put drying equipment out so they actually know what they're doing, so they can be an educator out there. Look, you might have to give up some of your time to go out and help educate them in some important meetings. There's nothing wrong with that. That's investing in somebody that can make a lot of money in a business that really has no ceiling. Disasters, catastrophes, unexpected events are always happening, and they're never going away. And there's just not enough out there being educated. Everybody's out there pushing to tell people about, hey, I'm with this company, I'm with this company, and it just doesn't work. We're in a completely different era of culture where that is not the best way to do it. So, think about that. Restoration Marketing 101, the foundation principles of everything is to be an educator for your company and the people around you, whether it's insurance agents, property managers, individual, no matter whether you're doing it in person, face-to-face, or you're doing it online and social media. You got to have that foundation before you can go anywhere else. So, hope that opens up some mind, gets the wheels spinning. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.